Hello, my name is Manit, and today's video is about regular math versus coding math. Believe it or not, coding is full of math, so therefore it is very important that you understand the difference between the two. Let's start off with the definition of math and coding. Mathematics is the art and science of describing things in terms of equations, like F equals ma or E equals mc squared. Programming is the art and science of telling a computer exactly what you want it to do in one or more of many different programming languages. In regular math, we only have a couple of main operators, and they are plus, minus, times, divide, greater than, less than, greater than or equal to, and less than or equal to. While all programming languages have all of these regular math operators, they have some different ones as well. These different operators are called compound operators in the coding world. The compound operators that most languages use are plus equals, minus equals, equals, exclamation mark equals, asterisk equals, slash equals, and modulus equals. Let's move on to how these are different from regular math operators. In regular math, the equation a times equals b plus c would be equal to a equals a times b plus a times c. However, in coding math, that equation would be equal to a equals to a times b plus c in parentheses. This happens because the equal sign has a different meaning in regular math than coding math. Take the assignment operator and comparison operator as an example. In the coding world, there's a big difference between single equals and double equals. The single equals operator is used as an assignment operator. It assigns a value to the left operand. For example, x equals 5 would assign the value 5 to the variable x. The double equal sign is used to check if two values are equal to each other. For example, if I checked 4 equals 5, it would return false because 4 is just not equal to 5. That concludes today's video on coding math versus regular math. Hopefully, you learned something new, as this is a very important and basic concept that all programmers need to thoroughly understand. If you have any questions, you can reach out to classes@globalcoders.org. And feel free to follow us on Facebook and Instagram. Subscribe for more videos and consider donating at the link in the description to support our cause. See you in the next video.